Hi there, Louise here from Louise Ella Nutrition. I was just going through my pantry and just realized I should make a video on this because I've got quite a few staple items that I use and make a lot of ingredients out of, and they're items that I'll buy and I'll get a lot of use out of. So I just wanted to share these with you. There's about 4 of them. And a lot of the recipes that I'm going to talk about are under my recipes section on my website under louiseellanutrition.com.au. So yeah, first up is oats. So I always keep oats in the pantry and I love making brekkie bars. I've got a lovely homemade muesli bar recipe on there. You can add oats to smoothies. You can make up a beautiful spice soaked oats recipe, which is one of the recipes on my website. And yeah, oats are a really great whole grain. They're low in GI, which means that it's slower to burn off, so you're fuller for longer. And they're a great source of fiber. So that's oats. The next one is quinoa. So quinoa or quinoa, but quinoa I think is the correct term, is also a whole grain. It's high in protein and a great source of vitamins and minerals, and also low GI. And quinoa you can use in a variety of different things. You can make salads out of quinoa. Gosh, you can make porridge and things like that. I personally like to, you can even stir fry veggies and like blend quinoa through that as well. And I like to boil up some quinoa and have it in a container and keep it in the fridge and then add it to salads. So yeah, that's a really nice one to try as well. And then I've got muesli. So muesli, this is my favorite muesli mix, which is made, it's from Carmen's. So Carmen's have a brand that is a fruit-free muesli. And I like to put not quinoa. I like to put goji berries in here. So quinoa would be weird. But yeah, goji berries. So they do have a fruit one, but I find the fruit mueslis, they're high in sugar, and they, the little bits of fruit that they put in there, I find it just gets stuck in your teeth, and it just, not the best. But this one is a really good one to try. And yeah, like I always like to use, say, half to 2/3 of a cup of muesli. Put some cold water in there, or whatever, water, and then soak it for a couple of minutes, drain it, and then add some Greek yogurt and some blueberries, and that makes a really quick and easy breakfast. Same thing, they're whole grain, low in GI, high in protein, and yeah, it's just a really, it'll last ages as well in the fridge, in the pantry. And then next up is brown rice. So this is actually basmati brown rice. So I find brown rice can be a bit chewy sometimes, takes forever to cook, where this brown rice, basmati rice, it cooks a lot quicker, just like the normal white basmati rice. Great source of vitamins and minerals, whole grains, fiber, and gluten-free as well. And quinoa is also gluten-free. So yeah, and you could do, you could stir fry up some veggies and then put some rice through there, and add it to your curries and stews and things like that. This is a really nice rice that I find is very nutritious and delicious. Oh, and I have one more. I said 4, but there's actually 5. Brown rice cakes. So brown rice cakes are easy for lunch. If you have, say, some tuna, a little bit of if you've got some tuna, you could add tuna and rice cakes, some avocado, cucumber and tomato, with some sea salt and cracked pepper. That makes up a really yummy, easy lunch and super delicious as well. So yeah, brown rice cakes are a whole grain, high in vitamins and minerals, and they just low GI as well. And they're also gluten-free. So yeah, give those pantry items a go today. It's nice to have things in the pantry that, when you buy them, it's like you have them for a while and you can get a lot of use out of them.